left and right and up and down. But now we are going to extend that into space, not the plane, but into space, where there actually are 3 dimensions. And that is very useful to us because that's the world we live in. So if you can picture this, this is the XY plane that we've used up to now. The X-axis and the Y-axis are 90 degrees to each other, perpendicular. We need a way to depict 3 dimensions on this flat surface. And the way we do it is we take the XY plane itself and we kind of lay it down. You can see how this Y-axis now is going this direction. The X-axis is going, take that and flip it around. Like this is going to go over here, this is going to go there. It's still the same XY axis. They're still perpendicular to each other. But they don't quite look like that, but it's like drawing the railroad tracks, right? If I draw in an art class, if I draw railroad tracks, then I'm going to draw them like something like that, right? They look like they're getting closer together. They're not. That's just the perspective so that you get that sense as you look at what is a 2-dimensional picture, right? These angles don't look like they're 90 degrees, but they are. And these are not getting closer together. They're actually the same distance. But we draw it that way to give perspective to the picture. So now this Y-axis is, flush with the flat surface I'm writing on. But the X-axis here is supposed to look like it's coming out of the screen. And so that's positive X. But the negative X is supposed to be going into the screen. Okay, the third axis, the Z, will go right through the intersection of the X and the Y-axis. This is our new origin right there. That's 0, 0, 0, right? Right, and all of these axes are 90 degrees with each other. Now, in 2 dimensions, we had quadrants, right? And we numbered them by starting in where X and Y are positive. That was quadrant 1. And then you go counterclockwise around to get to quadrant 4. Okay, in 3 dimensions, actually, you have octants. Right. If you just look at the positive Z's, you would have 4 partitions above the middle, and you would have 4 partitions below the middle. That would be 8 octants.